When you walk into a room, have you ever noticed how it makes you feel? The atmosphere, the decor, the colors, all these elements come together to create a unique experience. It's almost like the room has its own personality, one that can influence your mood and emotions. Maybe it's a sense of calm when you enter your bedroom. The soft lighting, the gentle colors, and the cozy atmosphere all work together to create a sanctuary where you can unwind and relax after a long day. Or maybe it's a burst of energy when you step into your kitchen. The vibrant colors, the modern design, and the cheerful decor can invigorate you, making it a perfect place to start your day or gather with family and friends. The way a room is decorated plays a big part in how it makes you feel. Each piece of furniture, every decorative item, and the overall layout contribute to the room's ambiance. Whether it's a minimalist design or a room filled with eclectic pieces, the decor sets the tone, and the colors you use are especially important. Colors have a profound impact on our emotions and can influence our mood in various ways. From the soothing blues to the energizing yellows, each color brings its own set of feelings. Think about your favorite cozy sweater. The texture, the warmth, the comfort it provides, it's like a hug in clothing form. It probably makes you feel warm and comfortable. Just like that sweater, the colors in your home can wrap you in a sense of well-being and contentment. Colors can have the same effect on you in your home. A living room with warm tones can make you feel cozy and welcome, while a room with cooler tones might feel more formal and distant. They can make a room feel warm and inviting or cold and unwelcoming. The choice of colors can transform a space from a mere room to a haven of comfort or a place of energy and excitement. Choosing the right colors can be a fun and exciting part of decorating. It's an opportunity to express your personality and create a space that truly reflects who you are. It's like painting with feelings. Each brushstroke, each color choice is a step towards creating an environment that resonates with you on a deeper level. By understanding how colors affect your mood, you can create spaces that make you feel your best. Whether it's a tranquil bedroom, an energetic kitchen, or a cozy living room, the right colors can enhance your well-being and make your home a true sanctuary. So next time you think about redecorating, consider the emotional impact of your choices. Talk to friends, consult with designers, and explore different color palettes. The possibilities are endless, and the results can be truly transformative. Remember, your home is a canvas, and you are the artist. Use colors to paint a picture of comfort, joy, and peace. Create a feeling that makes every moment spent in your home a delightful experience. Color has a powerful effect on our emotions. It can influence our mood, behavior, and even our thoughts in ways we might not always be aware of. The colors we surround ourselves with in our homes, workplaces, and even in our clothing can have a significant impact on how we feel and how we interact with the world around us. Think about a bright, sunny day. The vibrant colors of the sky, the lush green of the grass, and the warm yellow of the sun can instantly lift our spirits. These colors are often associated with feelings of happiness, energy, and positivity. The blue sky and green grass can make you feel happy and energized. These colors are not just visually appealing. They also have a psychological effect that can boost our mood and make us feel more alive and invigorated. Now think about a cloudy, rainy day. The gray skies and the muted tones of the environment can have a very different effect on our emotions. These colors can make us feel more subdued, reflective, or even a bit melancholic. The gray skies might make you feel a little sad or tired. This is because gray is often associated with dullness, lack of energy, and even sadness. It's a color that can drain our energy and make us feel less motivated. This happens because our brains are wired to respond to colors in certain ways. Different colors can trigger different psychological and emotional responses. This is why color psychology is such an important aspect of interior design, marketing, and even art. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows remind us of fire and sunshine. These colors are often associated with warmth, comfort, and energy. They can stimulate our senses and make us feel more lively and enthusiastic. They can make us feel warm, happy, and energized. These colors are perfect for spaces where you want to encourage activity and social interaction, such as living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas. Cool colors like blues, greens, and purples remind us of water and sky. These colors are often associated with calmness, tranquility, and relaxation. They can help to create a serene and peaceful environment. They can make us feel calm, peaceful, and relaxed. Cool colors are ideal for spaces where you want to unwind and de-stress, such as bedrooms, bathrooms, and meditation rooms. But it's not just about warm and cool colors. The way we perceive color can also be influenced by cultural associations, personal experiences, and even the context in which the color is used. The shade and intensity of a color can also change how it makes us feel. A bright, vibrant color can be stimulating and exciting, while a softer, muted shade can be calming and soothing. For example, a bright red can be exciting and energetic, evoking feelings of passion and urgency. It's a color that can grab attention and create a sense of excitement, while a deep red can feel more sophisticated and cozy. This shade of red can create a sense of warmth and comfort, making it perfect for creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Understanding the power of color can help us make more informed choices in our daily lives. Whether we are decorating our homes, choosing our outfits, or even selecting the colors for a project, being mindful of the emotional and psychological impact of color can enhance our well-being and improve our overall quality of life. So next time you pick a color, think about how it makes you feel and what kind of atmosphere you want to create. The right color can transform a space and elevate your mood, making your environment not just beautiful, but also emotionally enriching. Embrace the power of color and let it bring joy, energy, and tranquility into your life. The world is full of colors, and each one has the potential to make a difference in how we experience our surroundings. While all colors have their place, some colors can make us feel down, especially if we use them too much. These colors are often dark and intense. They can make a room feel smaller and closed in. They can also make us feel sad, anxious, or tired. It's important to remember that everyone experiences color differently. What makes one person feel calm might make another person feel sad. It's all about finding what works best for you and your home. Blue is a popular color for bedrooms because it's known for being calming and relaxing. The color blue has a unique ability to create a serene and peaceful environment, making it an ideal choice for spaces where you want to unwind and de-stress. Light blue, in particular, is often associated with tranquility and can help to lower blood pressure and heart rate, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. But not all blues are created equal. The shade of blue you choose can significantly impact the mood and atmosphere of your room. From soft sky blues to deep navy hues, each shade brings its own unique energy and feel to a space. While light blues can create a sense of peace and tranquility, they are perfect for creating a light and airy feel in a room. These shades can make a space feel larger and more open, which is especially beneficial in smaller rooms or spaces with limited natural light. Dark blues can have the opposite effect. While they can add a touch of sophistication and elegance, they can also make a room feel more enclosed and intimate. This can be great for creating a cozy, moody atmosphere, but it can also make a space feel smaller and more confined. Dark blues, like navy or indigo, are often associated with depth and stability. However, they can also evoke feelings of sadness or loneliness if used excessively. It's important to balance these darker shades with lighter elements to avoid creating a somber or oppressive atmosphere. Dark blues can make a room feel smaller and darker. This effect can be used to your advantage in larger spaces where you want to create a more intimate setting, but it can be overwhelming in smaller rooms. They can also evoke feelings of sadness or loneliness. If you're prone to feeling down or blue, it might be best to avoid using dark blue as the dominant color in your bedroom. If you love the color blue, consider using it as an accent color. Incorporate blue through accessories like pillows, throws, or artwork. This allows you to enjoy the calming benefits of blue without overwhelming the space. Try using it as an accent color instead of painting your entire bedroom a dark blue. This way, you can create a balanced and harmonious environment that promotes relaxation and well-being, while still enjoying the beauty and tranquility that blue brings to a space. Gray has become a popular color for interior design in recent years. It can create a modern and sophisticated look, but like any color, too much gray can have its downsides. Gray is a neutral color, which means it doesn't have a strong emotional impact on its own. But when used excessively, gray can make a room feel cold, impersonal, and even depressing. If you love the look of gray, try balancing it with warmer colors and natural textures. Brown is the color of earth and wood. It can bring a sense of warmth and stability to a space. But dark browns, like chocolate brown or espresso, can sometimes feel heavy and overwhelming. They can make a room feel smaller and darker, especially if there isn't enough natural light. If you want to use brown in your home, consider lighter shades like beige, tan, or taupe. You can also balance dark browns with brighter accent colors and plenty of lighting. Now that we've talked about some colors that can bring you down, let's talk about colors that can lift you up. Light and airy colors are perfect for creating a sense of calm and peacefulness. Think about soft blues, pale greens, and gentle lavenders. These colors can be especially soothing in bedrooms and bathrooms, where you want to relax and unwind. If you want to create a space that feels happy and energizing, look to warm and bright colors. Sunshine yellow, for example, can instantly brighten up a room and boost your mood. Think about painting your kitchen or dining room a sunny yellow to create a cheerful and welcoming atmosphere. You could also use pops of orange or coral to add a touch of playfulness and energy. Remember, the best colors for your home are the ones that make you feel your best. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and shades until you find what works for you. Pay attention to how different colors make you feel. Do you feel more relaxed in a room painted blue or green? Do you feel happier in a room with pops of yellow or orange? Your feelings are your best guide. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and be yourself. The colors you surround yourself with play a big part in creating that feeling of comfort. By choosing colors that spark joy and promote well-being, you can create a home that truly nourishes your mind, body, and soul, making every day feel special.